Okay, I got back my Tag Heuer Aquaracer quartz model. I went to the Tag Heuer boutique in Toronto in October, if I remember correctly. I needed to replace the battery because it was showing me that the battery needs to be replaced. So I came to them and I asked what the procedures. They said that's fine, you can give the watch to us and we will send it on your behalf to the service center. Actually, service center located in Toronto area, so that should be fine. But a part of the regular service of the battery, I asked them if they can do bezel replacement because I scratched it, I bumped it, and it had a very big scratch in it. So I wanted to ask them if they can do it. So they said that's fine. They will send you invoice or they're gonna call you and ask if you're okay with the price to pay for all this replacement. So they said to replace the battery will take about months for them to do it because aside of just the battery replacement, they will do a lot of things if something needs to be updated, and they will do like a kind of minor maintenance for the watch. Okay, let's unbox first and then I'll continue to tell my story. So that's how it came. I just cut it out. Here's a nice box. Let's see if I can open it with my one hand and if they did what I paid them for. And to continue the story while I'm opening, I got the call from them. I got actually email from them with the invoice in November. They gave me a few options what they're gonna do with the watch, considering the condition. So they will do the battery replacement with all usual things what comes with. They will do the bezel replacement. And they asked me if I want them to do the polishing of the case, which I declined because I don't really want them to be polished. But I agreed to the bezel replacement. So they did the bezel replacement. I hope so. And they speak. The bezel replacement is supposed to be done. The battery is supposed to be replaced. And it took them actually several months to finish the job because today is February 2nd and I got the watch finally, which actually I called them before and asked them and they said, oh, it was ready like in beginning of January, and for some reason they didn't send it to me. So yeah, sometimes you just have to follow up to see, to check and to speed up the process. So yesterday I called them and today I got my watch. So the delivery was pretty quick. They delivered by FedEx and delivery was pretty quick. So that's my experience so far. And let's see what they did to the watch itself. Ta-da! Here it is. I got a new bezel. It's replaced. Oh, and they even gave me my old one. That's funny. I didn't expect that, but yeah, that's my old bezel. Nice. So that you can see the scratch right here. I will talk about this in another video, the whole experience and what I think about the service for Tag Heuer in Canada. And here it is, the new bezel replaced, which looks pretty cool right now. I like it. So yeah, that's the story. Yeah, they didn't do polishing, which they could. I prefer to have it in the condition, unless it's really, really beaten up, but my watch is fine. So it's fine, it's just regular wear. And yeah, here it is. I like so far how it looks. Like so far what they did here. I have a very interesting and funny story about this watch, which I will tell in my another video. Replaced, new, almost like brand new, except some scratches. So the price for all this work was 300 Canadian dollars. I think to replace the battery itself was about $100, and to replace the bezel was about 200, so like a little bit less, but plus taxes it was $300 for the whole service, which is not that bad. I thought it's gonna be more expensive, and yeah, I think it's fine. The only issue is it took time to finish the job, but that's fine. As long as you have other watches to wear, it's fine. It's not a big concern that you can live for a few months without your one of your watches, I guess. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for another videos, especially for the video about this particular watch. I have something to share. And let me know in the comments down below about your experience with Tag Heuer's services, how it was for you, and in your country or in Canada, if you are in Canada. That would be very nice to hear, to know. Stay tuned and take care.